welcome, Monath. Welcome, and thank you so much for being part of, helping us spread the word and also being part of this, success story series. So, tell us a little bit about yourself, Mona. What do you do, and what is your background, basically?
Yeah, hi. It was great experience with Crackpurple all through the process. So, just coming to my background, I hold a bachelor's degree in pharmaceutical sciences. So after that, I joined various pharmaceutical companies and across various functions like from sales, marketing, and all these things. So after working for quite some time with all the multinational companies, I started my own venture. So yeah, for the last 2 years, I'm running my own venture.
What is your venture about?
I'm basically into pharmaceutical sales and marketing of drugs related to urology and nephrology diseases.
All right, interesting. So, how did this whole thought process of doing, say, a PGP Pro come to your mind? What was that? Why did you feel that at this point in your career you needed something like this?
Actually, MBA is one thing which has been in my mind since my college days. So actually, even before getting into job, I had few interview calls of few B schools. In the meantime, I got this thing job offer from a leading Indian pharmaceutical company. So I thought, why don't we get into job and get some experience and then go for MBA at ISB or IIMs or some prestigious B schools. So in the meantime, as you know, like once we get into job, there will be so many financial commitments that we'll be getting into, and the journey went on like that for almost 7 to 8 years. So this thing came back onto my mind again when I started my venture. So as I was struggling to cope up with so many things, so there are so many things which I felt like I was lacking. So I was in touch with, but frequently I used to be in touch with seniors who are managing this. So at one point I felt like going to some other person very on each and every topic or each and every issue will not serve the purpose. The venture is also very successful and it's running great. So I thought this is the right time for me to get the knowledge of basic core management and all these things. So that's when I started searching for the courses which are available.
So, in terms of your research on, what is required for the entire application process, how did you go about it?
Basically, I was attending info sessions of all the B schools. So then I came to know the value of the essay writing, basically. So I have so many stories to tell. Being in a healthcare side, like we'll be indirectly impacting patient life. We'll be working to improve the ailments of various ailments of the patients, right? So I have a few so many stories to tell, but I was not in a proper way to structure them now. So at that time, all the B schools like IMB and ISB were the ones which I shortlisted, because I cannot leave down my venture in all the way in the middle and go for a full-time MBA. So that's when I found like IIM Bangalore PGP EM and ISB's PGP Pro were suiting to my this situation now. So that's when I finalized those two B schools and started working on the SS part.
Right. So how did you come across Crackpurple? What kind of research got you to us?
Actually, when I started my application process, I was struggling to structure down my responses. So the word limit, right? So in that word limit itself, we need to develop a consistent story. So I was going through various sources online, and I was interacting with few alums of ISB and how to go about it. And eventually I came across the info sessions which were conducted by Mr. Arun and Srikanth Singh. I did not even see such kind of elaboration or such kind of in-depth information on B-School application process at any other this thing. And coincidentally, a few ISB alums whom I contacted also recommended Crackpurple. So that way, I think I found safe hands to land in. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much. So, how did you find the entire application process, and more importantly, how do you think is how important is the role of a mentor in this entire process?
Mentor, for me, a person who structures down responses, because they have seen so many profiles and they have already gone through many stories, and what will be better and what needs to be discarded, and all those wordings part, how to make our story appealing to the person who is evaluating our application.
Right.
So in this way, mentor is really it plays a key role.
In terms of your research for this, specific program, did you speak to people who have already going through PGP Pro, or did you speak to the admissions team? Because to know more about this particular program that you're applying to, because it's a considerable amount of investment too, right? So, what kind of research do you think more for aspirants who are applying going ahead? What are the key things that you think they should not miss at all?
One key thing is info sessions. Info sessions are the ones which give you a lot of information about the program and the rigor, and how, because in almost every info session, one or two alums will be attending that. So luckily, as I am based out of Hyderabad itself, I am in very proximity to the campus. So I used to attend almost every info session that is being conducted on campus. And after this COVID thing happened, every info session is being conducted online. So I got the chance to meet so many alums of PGP Pro as well. First thing I had a big doubt on my mind is whether this program will help me, because already I'm running my own venture. So will this be a good thing for me, or it will be just a certificate kind of thing? So, but there were already other entrepreneurs who have successfully done this program, and who have multiplied their venture many folds after the course. The information and the feedback which I got from them really helped me to go and apply confidently for this program.
In terms of the timeline that you took to start your application to finish, how much time did you think, and do you have any comments on that, on whether what is the best practice for people who are actually applying for these programs?
For me, actually, I started very late. August 31st was a deadline, and August 1st is when August 1st, not even August 1st, August 4th or 5th, I contacted Crackpurple. So August 1st is when I started this application process. So like I was telling you, like mentor really helped me. Ajay Balsare was my mentor. He's really very good in structuring down responses, and he helped me a lot. We used to have calls at 11, 12, 12:30 in the night. So all through that application process, even I did not sleep and he did not sleep. So he helped me a lot and structured down all the responses, and just 2 hours before the deadline, I submitted my application. So for anyone who want to apply to this courses like this, I think it's better to start a bit early, so that they can be relaxed and they can get more structured responses and more appealing stories.
So anything else that you believe you want to tell, for future aspirants, especially who are looking at this course? You've already given us a lot of great insights. So one definitely is that start early. If you're applying, do proper research, talk to alums, talk to mentors. Anything else which you feel that you missed out, which you believe if you would have done it better, it would have been different for you in terms of the process?
Would I have contacted Crackpurple a bit early, I think I would have applied to a few more B schools as well. So that's the thing. And luckily, Crackpurple also offered me this interview package as well. And the insights by Srilina were also very good. She was pointing out how I can, because there are so many entrepreneurs that are applying for ISB, the same course which I am applying. But she pointed out few points which can differentiate me from other entrepreneurs. So,
right. How was the interview process? Like, who interviewed you? Was it a panel interview, or was it more like a single person taking your interview from the admission committee?
So there are two alums in the interview panel. So they were one was a soft guy. He was asking all soft questions, and otherwise by bombarding. Even before I completed my responses, he was asking me follow-up question on that. So the other guy, it was both cool and stressed kind of interview.
Okay, how long did it last?
It was almost 40 minutes, I guess.
Okay, and it was in the campus itself, or was it online?
Online, it was online.
Online.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you had anything else to say?
More than me, actually, my mentors Ajay and Srilina were more confident on my profile. Even after the interview, I was not confident that I was able to do, but Ajay was very confident that the stories and the application part came out very well. So eventually, their foresight came true, and now I am with an admission offer at ISB.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Mona, once again. And I'm sure you will do awesome in your entrepreneurial venture, grow multiple folds. Thank you so much for your time. Really, really appreciate it. And, thanks again.
Thank you. Thanks for all entire Crack World team for getting this done for me.